What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be trying on some new tires on this bad boy. As you can see, she's quite done. And I did quite the sender trying to get my money's worth on this baby. So, without much more talking, let's get these new tires on the motorcycle so we can get back on the road. Alright guys, first we're going to remove the rear tire and then remove the front and then have the new rubbers on the wheels and then install it. So let's get to business. Guys, everything I use in any of my videos is going to be in the link in the description, so you can purchase it and do this stuff for yourself if you intend to do it. To remove the rear axle nuts, it's a 32mm socket, and we're going to grab the big boy, a couple love taps, and she's out. Very simple, very straightforward. So while the rear wheel is out, I'm gonna give it a proper wash. As you can see, it's quite filthy. So give it a proper wash, bring it back in, then we can throw the new tire on, or get the old tire off first and throw the new one on. Alright guys, as you can see, the tire is all washed up. So we're gonna use the blow gun, try to get as much water off of it, then dry it up, and then get to moving the tires from the wheel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell notification so you get notified anytime I make a new upload. Next, using this tire iron kit, link is gonna be in the description. Just like that. Alright, so that's it. Now let's get to the next part, my homemade DIY bead breaker. It should be fun. So to break the beads, I always use C-clamps, never had a problem. I'm going to show you how I use it so you can do it yourself. It's very cheap, you can pick up one for under $10–15 and get it done yourself.
Wait, let me get my head straight, I need a drink of water, it's been days I've had a headache. Don't wanna wake up one day, feel like I regret things. I want my story just to have a happy ending, and I don't got a plan B, a plan A's all I need. Took the ships from the sea and burnt them all, no retreat. Alrighty guys, and just like that, as you can see, the tire rim guards are both on both sides. So now we're gonna get to breaking the bead on these tires and getting these old ones off. So you just have to use the C-clamp and keep pushing it like this so you break the bead on one side and you repeat it on the other side. It's very simple, very straightforward. So after you successfully use the C-clamp to break the bead all around, it's time to use this that came in the tire kit. It kind of protects the rim from you scratching it up, whatever. You get it in there, use this tire iron or tire spoons, whatever they call it, and just start prying the tire open. So without much more talking, I'm gonna get this done and get this one step closer to getting the new rubber on. Eat and get buried with the seeds, but that makes me feel free. Hella focused on my dreams. I got habits, they're established. I'm doing things a bit manic, but I can handle it. Juggle this, juggle that, struggle here, lose some cash, win and lose, make it back. You can choose your own path. Nothing good comes fast, nothing fast ever lasts, so I'll be patient. It's all the way out. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. And if you've done it right, you should get to this point like so. And then you just have to repeat the same thing. You put this on the grooves, on the lip, and then you use the pry bars and get it up. It comes fast, nothing fast ever lasts, so I'll be patient but attack every day like it's my last. Alright guys, as you can see, I have the old tire out, the wheel is completely separated, and I did get just under 10,000 kilometers from this Bridgestone S22s. Great tires, but this time I did pick up the Dunlop SportMax GPR300, right? So these tires were fairly cheap. I got a wicked deal on it. That's basically why I got it. It was on sale and I just got a wicked deal. That's it. It was too good of a deal to pass up on it. So I got it, and there's not a whole bunch of reviews online about this tire. It's been around since 2015 based on my research. So I picked it up. I'm going to be using this. I'm going to compare it to my S22s, which I know are phenomenal from the past few years of using them. So I'm going to compare it to these GPR300s
The first thing I did notice was that this is 180/55/17, which is the exact same thing I have in the Bridgestone in the S22s, but it is about ½ inch smaller in width compared to the S22s. It's the exact same size, 180/55/17, but for some reason, I guess all manufacturers make them different. So it is something for you guys to keep an eye out if it's going to be a concern of yours. It is a concern of mine, but it is quite kind of short notice, and riding season is almost over in Canada. So I want to throw some tires on as soon as possible and, you know, ride for as long as possible. So I wouldn't be sending it back. If it was midsummer and this happened, I would have probably sent it back and got a 190/50/17. Let's throw on these new tires on the wheels, get it mounted, get it balanced and mounted, and move on to the front. A couple tips for you to look out. As you can see, this tire is marked over here. This is the lightest point on this tire, so you want this to match your valve stem. You want this to be in the same location as the valve stem, and most tires are directional. If we look over here, this tire is directional. You can see the arrow pointing this way. So when you install this, you want it to go like this, straight.
Pedal to the gas, burn the fuel that I have, start a fire, light a match, I ain't never looking back. So plant hard in your feet, there's no retreat, burn the boats on the shore till they're buried underneath, there ain't no going back. Forget the past, out of desperation are the people born who can last, there's no retreat, go believe.
And we're halfway there. So we're gonna repeat the same process on the other side. Same thing we did taking this tire off.
They're buried underneath, there ain't no going back. Forget the past, out of desperation are the people born who can last, there's no retreat, go believe. You got it in you, you can do anything that you think that you need. Don't be scared, go succeed. The only people who compete are the ones who don't retreat.
Just back to the other side, we're going to start by removing the axle sliders. And that's how you do it. You do need this special tool. I'm gonna have a link in the description. You need this to remove that axle. It's very cheap. You can pick this off Amazon and eBay. I got it on Amazon. The link is gonna be in the description if you wanna get it. And next, we need to lose the brake calipers, and it's a 12mm socket. So, get it in there. Alright guys, as you can see, the new tires are installed on the wheel. So right now I'm going to throw it on, completely assemble it, and get this baby one more step to getting completed.
Feel unstoppable, ain't responsible to try to make all the impossible go flip to probable. This life is not something that's optional, it's got its obstacles, but it's a gift. So don't miss out on your chance to be phenomenal. Push all the chips in, I take risks cause risky wins.
Alright, so with the axle installed, we have our handy dandy Amazon tool, and we're just gonna fasten it in place. Now installing the axle slider. Alright guys, so over in the rear, Everything's pretty ready to go back in. I have the wheel over here, and this is ready to go back in. So just like the front, we're gonna clean up the rear axle, apply some new grease, and slap it all together.
Straight to the chin, then get right back up again. I don't lose, I always win, cause any loss is a lesson. I got a different engine, wanna go, I'll go again. I'm on the chase while they running, call the plays that are coming. Turn a profit out of nothing, like a profit.
And now with the bearings all cleaned, the axle greased, I'm gonna line everything up and put it back together.
Been coming, taking shots, I'm always gunning. When I gamble, never bluffing. Last shot, I'll be clutching. Hit the shot they always wanted. Game winners, train killers. I can make 7 figures, 8 figures, 9 figures. Pay for any fucking dinner. Paint a picture, life richer. Good people, good liquor. Life bigger, fight winner. I just wanna get there quicker. So plant hard in your feet. There's no retreat. Burn the boats on the shore till they're buried underneath. There ain't no going back. Forget the past out of desperation. All the people born who can last. There's no retreat, but believe.
Now with the axle in place, we can completely secure it down. And now I just inserted the axle slider for the rear. And just like that, as you can see, it's fully assembled. And now onto the front part. Alright guys, just like that, as you can see, we have all brand new tires on this motorcycle. I hope you found this video helpful or entertaining at the very least. If you do like videos like this, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, drop a comment down below, and tell me videos you want to see and I can possibly get it done for you. On that note, thank you for watching and have a good one.